Hi there, hello, how are you? I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic Freaky Friday. Today is a very special Valentine's Freaky Friday mystery box. If you're new here and you're not familiar with what Freaky Friday is, it is exactly as it sounds. I post videos on Fridays. At least 50% of them are going to be adult related, could be sex toys, lingerie, something that has to do with like date night or foreplay. And if that's something that you could be interested in or would like to see more of before you dig in, you should totally hit the subscribe button. I am here for you, like I said, 50% of the Fridays with an adult mystery box. Today's, I think I have to kind of give you a little bit more of a background in case you missed my last video from Chillow. This is a mystery box that I found on Etsy. After going through checkout, I realized that this person lives 15 minutes away from me. It was just so crazy to stumble upon a shop that sells something that I specifically do, and there's not very many people on YouTube doing dildo boxes. And there's not that many Etsy mystery boxes that are adult related. For us to like cross paths, I feel like this was just destiny. It was like a magical experience. So I did actually order the Valentine's mystery box, and she packaged it up so dang cute for me. Yours would actually come in just a box, but that's so you can kind of see how, oh wait, there's a little tag on the other side. Look at how cute and Valentine's-y this is. But for shipping purposes, you would get yours in a normal box because this would be impossible to ship like this. So I popped onto our website, and I'll have a link down below. We actually have a code as well, Chrissy 15, and they do ship worldwide, which was kind of crazy. I saw this thing about Australian people choosing DHL. So yeah, if you're wherever you are in the world, there's actually a chance that you can get this. This one's the medium box. So they do actually have 5 sizes. They have small, medium, large, extra large, and XXL. The size of the toy that you get in the box is dependent on the size box that you get. And there is a link on the site that's for like toy sizing as well as firmness, because there are different firmness options as well. In the mystery box, you're just going to get like that mystery box. It's kind of the whole glory of it, is that you have no clue what is going to come in here. And oh my God, I made like 2 punny jokes inside that same sentence. If you do not like surprises so much, they do have a full online shop. There's insertables, penetrables, and some other like stim type toys in there. And you can also use the code Chrissy15 there as well. This one, like I said, is the medium sized box. Last month I did the small. I'll have it pinned up in the cards and down in the description box if you want to check out the difference between the small box and the medium box. Of course, I will continue to get these boxes until we get to the XXL in like, I don't know, the fall at that point. But if you do want to see how this mystery box progresses, again, hit the subscribe button. So let me reach. Oh, it's like all bundled up together again. Okay, this is like how it came last month in a box. So just imagine this wrapped up exactly like this inside of a brown box. That's what you would get. I don't want to see what it is, so I'm going to hide it under the tissue paper over there. First thing we have, I think, is a snack. These are my favorite. I love these. So many people dog on me and they think that they taste like just disgusting flavorless chalk. So we have a cute little Valentine's snack in here, and I can't, come on, conversation hearts. We've all seen them before, but there we go. I think I feel more snacks. I'm gonna go for those. Oh my God. I just felt the toy and it feels massive in comparison to last month. We do have more candy. We have 2 cherry Laffy Taffies, pink. I love that we're staying in a theme. I keep being very vague as far as toys go. So what this shop does is they custom make dildos. Pick your style. They are not traditional penis shapes. They are more fantasy styles. Then you would also pick your color if you wanted to glow in the dark, if you want to do multiple colors, and you can also pick your firmness. So if you order within the shop, you have control over all of that. It is fully custom made, custom curated specifically for you. So when you place your order, it gets made for you. How freaking cool is that? So yeah, that's at this thing as well, but this one's a mystery box. So again, it's a mystery. Next up, we have a little Valentine. It's a squishy peach, which is so damn fitting for Valentine's Day. And on the back, it says to Chrissy from Willow at Chillow Fantasy. So that's the owner of the company. The card, it did also come with like a card to rate them. They are a small business, so it's really good to go on there and do your ratings, take pictures of your boxes so other people can know kind of an idea of what to expect. And then we have our invoice, which on it does list off everything that we get. So I'm not gonna look at it right now, but it also shows their value, so you know that you got like a better value. That's also kind of a cool thing about getting it in a mystery box, is that you do get kind of a discount on a grouping of things rather than just one thing. So I have the little small pieces in here. These are like little silicone extras. This one's cute. I got a hot pink one last month. So we have a little tiny, teeny weenie, and mine is purple, and that's like a good example of what you could potentially expect as a color option. Then we have a mini grub chub. This is designed after one of the styles that's in their shop. So here's an idea of what it would look like. They stick to the table too. Like they stand straight up on glass granite and stuff. They're fun. And then the last thing in here is this is basically like stim toys. So they're really good if you just need like a distraction, something to squish on. And it also kind of gives you an idea of what the firmness levels are of the different things that are offered in the shop. So you can kind of squeeze like this and be like, okay, so this one's the soft and this one's like the soft medium. I don't know if that's the name of it, but you know, like you can kind of tell. All right, so then now we are down to the very last thing that comes in here. This is the whole reason to get the box. Everything else is extras and I absolutely love that everything was on theme too. This is pink, this is red, and it has like even kind of a little bit of a shimmer to it. We got candy, we got a squishy peach Valentine, we got conversation hearts. So freaking cool. This is the last item in the box. It's a girthy one, but we're gonna have to look at it together, okay? 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow. I was not expecting a toy to be this big in the medium box. The small box wasn't small, like it was a very average sized piece, but like this is just, it's really big. Maybe it's not that it's that long, it's just that it's really freaking wide. I think it's called the Notzilla. I'll look at the invoice in a second, but I just want you to appreciate the coloring and everything on here right now. You can see there is shimmer all inside. It's just hard for the camera to pick it up. I can see it in person. It has all this different texturing. It almost like suctions on the bottom, but it doesn't, but it does. And then look, I don't even know if I'm allowed to say the words that I need to say for, do you know what this is? Am I allowed to say that? Probably not. It looks like cum dripping. Let's look at the invoice real quick. Has all my information on it, so I can't show you that. This is called the Notzilla Junior on the site, and I don't know how big the regular Notzilla is. If this is the Junior, this is the small version of it. And mine is actually in soft. It's 00 to 30. I have neon white cum drip, winterberry, juicy pink, and raspberry shimmer plus glow in the dark. Wait a minute, it glows in the dark? We're about to go check that. I'm about to go in that closet. It's mostly the base that glows in the dark. I'll pop a picture over here. It does make sense. That way you can very easily find it in the dark. Other parts maybe don't need to glow so much. That was really cool. It says that it's over an $80 value just in this, and it's because you have like so many different customizations included in this. So it has 3 different colors, the shimmer and the glow in the dark. These are all add-on things that you can do to make your piece very specific to you. And you can even add on things like, come on, that's pretty cool. All right, so overall, in the Valentine's mystery box, this is so damn cool for Valentine's Day. Interesting, different. We have a stim toy, which is called a blip. The Grub Chub Mini, the Teeny Weeny. Oh no, the Teeny Weeny. And then we have candy and the Valentine is like little extra. So that is pretty cool. I will leave all the details for this, their Etsy shop, as well as their just like normal website down below, as well as our coupon code. Like I said, not an affiliate, but if you do order from the shop, they do actually ship really fast for everything being completely custom made for you. So that's it. That's everything that I have for you all today. Huge shout out to all my patrons, because without them, I wouldn't be able to afford purchasing boxes necessarily for this channel, especially because videos like this always get demonetized. You could just tell that nobody actually wants to place their ad on a video with a dildo, which is crazy. Like, come on, can we get past the taboo nature of that? Already it's 2022. So that's it. Love you all so damn much. Thank you so much for being here. If you do want to see more videos like this, please hit subscribe before you leave. Let me know what you think down below. Love ya. I'll see you next time. Bye.